Hello guys, welcome back. So the New York PM session has ended. I'm gonna talk about today's today's execution. In the morning, before the New York PM session, I have uploaded a video about today's P plan. How can price act today, and what was my bias? Please check that video out. Uh, I think you will be astonished because I marked everything before it happened. All I did over here, I have learned from ICT himself, the inner circle trader. So all credit, all credit goes to him. Let's talk about today's plan. In the morning, when the price was here, I told that it will come to this parallel gap, the 15-minute parallel gap over here. You see here, and also the new parallel gap, both of them placed in the same place. So it come here, go, come back to this breaker, low, high, lower low. So the last up close candle, this is the breaker, bullish breaker. Price go above that, price come back to the breaker, go again, clear this clean highs, the buy side liquidity, go and touch the previous buy side liquidity over here, come back, get some support to the order block, then clear this buy side liquidity. I was hoping that market will clear this buy side as well, but it didn't happen today. I think maybe tomorrow or at night it will clear this buy side liquidity, but it's not concerned. So my bias was bullish for DXY, that means the dollar index. Let's go to the ESU. Okay, here is ESU. At morning I told that this order block, it will support, price will go lower. Today's my bias was bearish for ES. You check my daily videos, you will know what is this level and this level are. This was my today's target. I cleared I clearly marked out everything over here so that it will help you to plan the trade for that day. That's why I uploaded the daily bias video. Last 3 days I have uploaded daily bias before the session, and then I execute my trade depending on that bias. At the end of the video, I will show today's my execution and the profit. Hope you will find something important from there. Please check that out. Please bro, please. It will help you to understand ICT concepts more clearly. You will know how to plan for the day. It will be very helpful for you guys. Let's go to the 15-minute chart. So here is the 15-minute chart. This is the hourly order block. Market goes over there, retest the order block, break lower, go and find support to the 15-minute I fair value gap, consequent encroachment, break lower, and reached the place I have marked before it happened. Let's go to the 1-minute chart. Here is the morning session. This is 9:30 opening. Market goes to the order block, breaks lower. I was thinking that if this high is taken out by any of this week, and then if I get a market structure shift, I would take the short. I would take the short for, maybe to all of these lows, something like that, but it didn't give me that chance. Here you saw in the morning session it was very choppy price action over here. You see, this is all choppy, and yeah, maybe you will find a entry over here, but I didn't get any, in very confident entry over here, so I didn't take any entry over here. I was waiting for the PM session because today was the FOMC day. So as ICT told, at 2 p.m. the FOMC news released. The first move always the fake move. So this was the move. You can see it is going here to there. Oh, okay. At this two level, it's the 15-minute fair value gap from very beginning. I'll show you that. This fair value gap. Okay. Okay. So price come to this fair value gap, goes up. This low is the daily fair value gap low, and this is the 15-minute I fair value gap. You see, this is the 15-minute I fair value gap, consequent encroachment. At 2, when the news released, it comes lower, find some support to that fair value gap, 15-minute fair value gap, like this, goes higher until this. Okay. At 2:30, I was planning to go short because my daily bias was bearish, and I know this level, this two level is today's target. So I was waiting for the market structure shift to the lower side. Market goes here, come, take all of this liquidity over here. All of this liquidity has taken by this week, and also it has traded to the I fair value gap consequent encroachment, this level. When it shows that it doesn't want to go through this, I get confident to take short. Here is the market structure shift, fair value gap, and the breaker. High, low, higher high. The lowest candle, this is the breaker, the bearish breaker. This is the consequent encroachment of that breaker. Also this level, you see this level, this is the daily fair value gap low. And after market structure shift, this is fair value gap for take entry, short entry. I took the entry here. I'll show it. Just okay, let me show it right now. It will help to explain. So you see, that is the place I took the short, and market goes. My stop loss was just above this breaker, and also the swing high, this high there. My stop loss was there, and my target was here. This was the first partial place. Market goes through this fair value gap to the consequent encroachment of the breaker, break lower. This fair value gap, I fair value gap, consequent encroachment, goes and trade over there, break lower again. In that case, I have uploaded the video. You'll see that I was thinking this little portion will be unfilled, but it actually traded to the lowest part of the I fair value gap and then break lower. This is the water block. Market finds some support there, break lower, and at the end I took one partial there, here you see, here one partial there and here. So this was my trade today. from here to here. It was a very nice day. This is the analysis for today, the trade analysis. What I did is actually I planned it out before it happened. In the morning, before the New York session, I uploaded the daily buzz video. Why price really want to go over here? I explained everything over there. I know guys, my speaking is not that much good, and I'm just trying to explain everything what I understand after studying ICT stuffs. Because when I started to learn his stuff, I face a lot of problem and it takes time. I spent nearly 23 months with ICT, and maybe very recently I have started to understand his concept this much precisely actually. uh, so I am just sharing my opinion, my thinking with you guys so that you can understand. If you don't understand anything, you can ask me to the comment section. I'll explain that. I'll try to explain over there. Or if you really want to see something very special, or maybe something you don't understand about his concept, I'll try to explain that to my next video. Feel free to comment. And yeah, that's all. Thank you guys. Thanks for watching. See you again. Bye bye.